Mountain ranges in Asia: Akaranyoma and Pegiyoma. First, Myanmar type are the fold mountain formed due to continental convergence. Characteristics are parallel range extending north to south and part of eastern extents of Himalaya, significant for the rich in biodiversity and strategic location. Second, Himalayas location spanning across India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan. Component: Greater Himalaya and northernmost range with the Mount Everest, Middle Himalaya, and Lesser Himalaya. Formation: result of the collision between the Indian and Eurasian plate. Example: continental convergence. Now, third, Trans Himalaya location north of the Greater Himalaya. Component are Kara Karakoram range, Ladakh, Janskar, and Kailash. Significance of it are known as the Trans-Himalayan range, consists of the highest peak and glacier formed due to the complex tectonic interaction between the Indian and the Eurasian plate. Now, Hindu Kush, Suleiman, and the Kirthwar range. Location extends from the through, through Afghanistan and Pakistan. Hindu Kush, a part of the western extension of Himalaya, influence the climate and the hydrological of the region. Suleiman and Kitwar range, located in the Pakistan, run parallel to each other, formed due to tectonic activity associated with the collision of the plate. Elbrus and Zagros Mountain, location in Iran. Elbrus Mountain, situated south of the Caspian Sea, characterized by the high peak and significant snowfall. Zagros Mountain extends along Iran western border as a result of the collision between the Arabian Sea and the Eurasian plate, rich in the oil gas reserve due to the folding and the defaulting process. Pamir node location: Central Asia. Significance are the convergence where the mountain range meet include the Himalaya, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Tian Shan range, called the node because the range are compressed and fold together. Now mountain ranges in Europe like Taturus and Pontic node, location Turkey, Asian Minor, and Anatolia Peninsula. Taurus mountain, located in the southern Turkey, formed due to the collision of the African and Eurasian plate. Pontic node, located along the northern coast of Turkey near the Black Sea, also result from tectonic convergence. Balkan and Dinaric Alps and Pindus. Balkan Mountain, stretching from the Bulgaria and Siberia, play a significant role in the climate and river system of the region. Dinaric Alps extend along the Adriatic coast to the countries like Scotia and Bosnia, known for the karst landscape. Pindus Mountain, located in Greece, influence the weather pattern there and are rich in biodiversity. Now, Carpathian Mountain, located in the central and eastern Europe, passing through the countries of Romania and Slovakia, feature form an arc-shaped range, rich in the mineral resource, have significant forested areas. Alps and Apennines. Alps stretch across the 8 European countries, including France, Switzerland, and Austria. Features are highest peak North Blanc, result of the collision between the African and the Eurasian plate, significant of the impact on the European climate and tourism. Apennines, located in Italy, characteristic along the length of the Italian peninsula, geographically connected to the Alpine system. Pyrenees and Cantabrian Mountains. Pyrenees, a location on the border between the French and Spanish, features separate Iberian Peninsula from the rest of the Europe. High mountain passes and biodiversity hotspot. Cantabrian Mountain, location in northern Spain. Characteristics are the run parallel to the northern coast, rich for the coal deposit and unique ecosystem.